Hi there. This is a quick walkthrough of the assignment for information literacy. So we're going to go to assignments, and I'll pull the assignment up. And this assignment is due on March, let's see, I think it's the 18th, and I will revise that due date. Let me just do that really quickly right now. So you're going to get to watch how I revise the due date. You don't have this option in yours, but here's how it's done. So I'm going to revise that and say update. And so now it should say March 18th that this assignment is actually due. So when I open up information literacy and research, this is what the assignment looks like to me. It looks a little bit different to you, but that doesn't matter. This is the overall assignment. So once you open up the library research assignment, it will open as a Word document. And I'm going to put this Word document, make sure it's in the recordable screen area. So this is the assignment, and the purpose of the assignment is to complete a research activity and to advance your critical decision-making skills. The assignment is not about getting you to change your mind about a social issue. You will be neither graded nor judged about your point of view. The purpose is for you to practice the critical thinking process. The exercise will not only give you more experience with problem solving, but it will also give you the application of an information literacy search experience. To think critically about issues, you need to begin by figuring out exactly what the issue is that you want to think about. Next, you'll take stock of where you're coming from, your own personal bias or your own personal perspective. And then you'll gather relevant information and look for possible answers to the questions you seek to answer. So, for our assignment, today in class with Mr. Steve Kramer, we looked at 6 different documents. Or you should have had time to find 6 different documents. You found 2 documents from opposing viewpoints. You should have found 2 documents that were peer-reviewed journal articles and 2 documents that were editorials. You're going to create a table, and I will do one now in Word by creating a new Word file. And I'm going to insert a table, and in that table I want it to have a row for the title of the article, for the citation, for a quick summary of the article, and then from where you found it. So I'm going to create, I need 3 rows and 3 columns and 6 rows. So now I have my table. I'm going to probably have to add another row. So I'm going to call this the citation, and then I'm going to call this the summary, and this will be the database from which I found it. Okay? So I'm going to now go and I'm going to save this article, and I'm going to go back into the library website. The library website is listed here. And so clicking on opposing viewpoints, that's the first one we had to go to. I'm going to click on this and it will open up the opposing viewpoints database. In class we did legalized marijuana. We'll try this marijuana should not be legalized article from 2012. It's more current. So here's the article. So I'm going to click on Citation Tools. And I want the APA. So I'm going to copy this APA citation. And then I'm going to post it in my table. To go back to my Word document and pull that back up. And I'm going to paste the citation in this cell. And then I need to, oops, that did not look very nice, does it? Let's shrink it up so it looks better. And this was opposing viewpoints. And then my summary. So I would read this article and then I'd create a quick summary. So I'm going to make up something to go in my table, and I'll put it there. You're going to actually read your article. I don't have time now for the video purposes, or you would be bored. I'd put the summary of the article goes in this cell. Do the same steps for academic search, and you will have the first 2 articles from this database will be peer-reviewed. And so you'll have 2 peer-reviewed, and you'll find your 2 articles. You'll put in the citations, and then you'll have 2 that are from Academic Search, which are editorials. So you'll have 2 with editorials. And let's create another row. So once you've added all the data to your table, you'll need to go to File and save your document, and this is your table. So I'm just going to save it as, I'm going to call it my initials, A and B, or I'll do A in black, and I'm going to call this table, and I'm just going to save that, so I'll have it to come back to later. And the next thing I'm going to have to do is go figure out the rest of the assignment. So I'm going to pull up the other Word document, which is the actual assignment, and see what else I need to do. So I've now created the table, which is this part, step 2, the analysis. I've looked at other perspectives. I've written summaries of the articles. Then I'm going to come up with potential solutions. I'm going to think about what kinds of solutions there were, or options there are related to my personal perspective, and then I'm going to have to evaluate the solutions and decide if, my opinion was, I still believe my opinion, or if I need to modify my opinion a little bit, or if I've changed my opinion altogether. So once I make those decisions, I'm ready to do the last step, which is I choose my stance on the opinion, and I'm going to evaluate that solution. I'm going to do the evaluation in VoiceThread. So the next step is activity A and deliverable B. I'm going to post a video comment in VoiceThread, and then under my comment, I'm going to create a 350 to 400 word count comment about the research and evidence I found. So then I'm going to need to go to VoiceThread. So I'm going to open my browser, and I'm going to go to VoiceThread, and I already have VoiceThread open, and I've already logged into my account, and then I'm in My Voice. But I want to create a new VoiceThread, so I'm going to click Create, and you'll do the same thing. So I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to say Upload, and I'm going to try to use my video camera. My video camera is already in use, so I can't do that right now, but normally you would click My Webcam, and then I would allow it to use my webcam, and I'm going to make sure this will try to make it work here with it. So I'm doing 2 cameras at one time. Well, this will be interesting. And then I'm going to say I'm going to create a video, and then I would create a video discussing my opinion and my topic, and giving people a little bit of information about my topic. And once I've gotten my topic thoroughly described and discussed, I'm going to finish my video and post it. And then once I've posted the video, I'm going to write a 350 to 400 word count summary of my research and what I found in the research process and how it helped to evolve or change my opinion. Okay, that's all there is to it. So here's the video. So it's going to try to create a video in VoiceThread. This is how you would do it. So now I'm creating a VoiceThread video, recording on my topic. Then you click Stop. Your VoiceThread is recorded. And then after it's up there and posted, I'm going to click Close. And I'll be able to, when it's finished, I'll be able to make a comment on it. So here's my video, and I'm going to add a comment. So I'm going to create a comment right here by clicking Comment, and I'm going to create a text comment. And by doing that, I type, here's where I'd type my text comments of 350 to 400 words. Any questions? Feel free to email me. Oops. Thanks for watching, and good luck completing this assignment. It is worth 30 points, so I hope you'll do a good job. Have a great day.